Hello friends, welcome back. This is a Math Olympiad challenge based on floor function. Compute the length of the interval of the set of numbers x that satisfy floor x square equals to floor x plus 3 whole square, where floor x denotes the greatest integer less than or equals to x. So expanding this, floor x square equals to floor x square plus 6x plus 9. If we take x square is y and 6x plus 9 equals to d, then this is y floor equals to y plus d floor. And since it's the greatest integer function less or equals to y, that means y plus d equals to y floor plus d, because d is the fractional part, if d is greater than or equals to 1. And same y plus d is y minus 1 if y d is less than or equals to minus 1. At this condition, this is y plus 1 and this is y minus 1. So the value of d must be -1 to +1. What is d? D is 6 plus 9. So 6 plus 9 must be in between -1 and +1. So -1, 6x plus 9 less than +1. This implies that -10, 6x minus 8. This implies that -5/3 x minus 4/3. So this is the interval. So x belongs to interval -5/3 to 4/3. We got the interval. Now if the question is length of the interval, then -4/3, this was -4/3 minus -5/3 equals to 1/3. So this is the solution. Thank you for watching.